it's Kaylee, and today I'll be doing King's Court with my Panda Bun squishies. Obviously, I'm only doing my Panda Bun because this is the only Panda Buns these are the only squishies I have here. Because the only ones I have here because, yeah. My one squishy's at my dad's house, and my dog just ate two of mine. My cupcake. She ate my cupcake and my cake. Yeah. So let's go do the King's Court. See ya. Alright, so I have my stopwatch right here. It's my brother's phone because my mom's using hers. So my brother let me. So I'm just gonna freeze. Oh, I forgot. I have to put it in a baggie. Let me just get my sandwich bag. Do they both fit in here? Yeah, I guess so. I guess I could just try and squish them together in there. Oh gosh. My brother's video is really dark. My brother's phone is really dark. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me just do this so I can get them in there. Squishy 1. Oh my gosh. That one's quick. Okay. Squishy 2. Oh my gosh. I knew that was going to happen. Oh my gosh, that was the worst I've laughed ever. Alright, I'm going to have to get another bag. That was kind of funny. You gotta admit it, guys. It was pretty funny. It ripped apart like nothing. I cannot squish these together. They are stuck. Alright. Gosh. I should be starting in 5 minutes right now. I don't know if this is going to go wrong or go right. We'll see how King's Court goes. Oh my gosh, I like to squish them together. They're still really squishy, but so I'm going to put the timer on, and for about 5 minutes. Oh, dang it. Alright, my brother put in his password. So, oh my gosh, there's 2 waffles out of the packet. That was a fail. Epic fail. Alright. I don't know how I can fit this in here. I'll just put it right there where those old waffles. Alright, let's start. See you guys when it's done. Alright guys, so the timer's set and now it's done. And oh my gosh. Really, oh my gosh, it's really cold. It's like frozen. Look at that. straight in the face. Okay. So we're like frozen right now. So I just set the timer for like 5 minutes. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is so cold. So we're gonna see if it got squishier. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, it's stuck like that. Oh my gosh, no. Alright, let's see if it got more squishier. Yo, this got like more slow rising. It's extra cold and then just got like more slow rising. It's like, let me turn my brother's phone off, whatever. What ifs? Oh my gosh, it didn't. There's this one. Like, this one is a yes. It got more slow rising because before it was like. So let's see the boy one. Oh my gosh, this one's actually getting warmer because I touched it. Like the boy one. So. See if they still squish together. There. So I'm happy now because they got more slow rising than before. So sooner or later I'll be doing King's Court with all of them. But yeah, they really got slow rising in 5 minutes. So this is an iPhone. Doesn't say what iPhone. Whatever. What ifs? Nice iPhone anyway. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up for the King's Court and thumbs up for showing the new squishies. Kaylee will have a replacement of pandas and she will be spending more time with us. So subscribe to her channel and subscribe to me and my brother Pan Pan. He'll have a thing or two to say about that, about him. See you! Now wait just a second. Pan Pan. You're too close. Pan Pan. What? You're way too close. No, I'm doing the right thing. Pan Pan, just get in the camera and don't go too close. Fine. Is that too close? Just get over here. Alright. So, Kaylee's other squishies will be replaced with us, with me, and where I forgot your name. I'm your sister. You should remember my name. It's Caitlin. Oh, okay. And my name is not Pan Pan, by the way. I just like to call you that. Okay. So, by the way, Kaylee will be replaced. Sorry. Kaylee will... Oh my gosh, you don't know how to talk to the camera. Okay, get over there. Okay, so Kaylee will be. Oh, sorry. Kaylee will be replaced by me and my brother, Pan Pan. Wait just a second. You still think my name is Pan Pan? That's your nickname. No. Then what is your name? Huh? Pan Pan. It's Kaylee. No, shut up. It's our takeover time. Right, fine. Okay. What's my name? Remember your name. Jake. What? Jake. Right. Okay. No. It's my takeover time. Guys, what's going on? Jake, Pan, did you call my name again? It's not Pan. Well, Jake, how about you have a new name? You want a new name? I hope you want a new name. Because your new name would be, you will be Grace, and you will be Luke. Perfect. Grace and Luke. Alright guys, I'll leave now, okay? You guys can have your takeover time. So, we will be the replacements of Kaylee Squishies. Thanks for watching. And by the way, Kaylee's gonna be a Snapchat filter of a panda for Halloween. Thumbs up for that too, and thumbs up for feeding deer in Pennsylvania. See you guys next time. Bye. Whoa. Guys, remember, peace out. Bye. Okay, peace out, guys.